Hello everyone, I am Monica from the Department of Computer Science Engineering. Today I am going to present a topic about data interpretation. Let's start the presentation. Outline: Data interpretation, importance of data interpretation, types and sources, steps involved in the data interpretation, tables, pie charts, bar graphs, flowcharts, etc. Important skills, common errors, applications, advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. Data interpretation. Data interpretation is the process of making sense of data that has been presented in a visual form. It helps us to understand the information clearly and draw correct conclusion. Data interpretation is an important skill used in academics, businesses, and everyday life. It collects the raw data and convert into the meaningful information. Importance of data interpretation: helps in decision making, problem solving, and understand trends. It allows us to understand patterns, compare values, identify trends, and solve problems logically. Types of data and source of data. There are two types of data types. One is qualitative data type and another is quantitative data type. Quality means which describe the qualities or categories. Quantitative means which includes the numbers, measurements, or numerical values. Source of data type. Data can be collected from the various sources like surveys, experiments, observations, and secondary sources. Secondary sources are like books, reports, and online database. The main steps involved in the data interpretation are collecting data, organize data, and analyze data and interpret the results. To make data easier to understand, we represent it using tables, graphs, flowcharts, pie charts, etc. These visual forms help us to interrupt the information quickly. Tables. Tables present the data in rows and columns. They make comparison easy and help us view information in a structured manner. Advantages of tables: can contain large data sets and helpful in comparing two or more similar things. Bar graphs. Bar graphs are used to compare different categories. The length of each bar shows the value, making it simple to compare one category with another. Advantages: it helps us to summarize a large data and it can be estimated key values make a glance. Flowcharts and pie charts. Pie charts represent the part of a whole. Each slice shows the percentage as a category, making it easy to understand and distribution. Advantages of pie charts: it is visual appealing, best for comparing small data types. Important skills and common skills. To interpret data effectively, we need observations, analytical thinking, and logical reasoning. Help us to arrive at the correct conclusion. Common mistakes. Common mistakes in data interpretation including misreading the data and ignoring the units, scales, and wrong assumptions without proper analysis. Applications. It is used everywhere in business for forecast and scientific research and educational analyzing, government decision making. Advantages of data interpretation: helps in decision making using facts rather than the guesses, making the large data easy to understand through charts and graphs, identify trends and patterns quickly, improves the analytical and logical reasoning skills, save times by summarizing complex information, useful in business, research and finance and competitive exams. Disadvantages of data interpretation: incorrect interpretation can lead to wrong conclusion, and pure quality or incomplete data affects accuracy. Sometimes graph can be misleading if not prepared correctly. Requires basic mathematical knowledge for calculations. time consuming when the data is very large or complex. Interpretation may be affected by personal bias. Conclusion: data interpretation helps us understand information clearly and accurately. It is an essential skill for students and professions. Thank you.